There was a time when running a marketing campaign meant a conference room, a whiteboard, and one team working on one brief at a time. Chaotic in its own way, but at least everything was in the same room. Today, campaigns move faster, span more channels, and involve more people than ever. Briefs are buried in docs no one can find. Assets are scattered across different tools. Status updates are living in someone's DMs, and the launch deadline is getting closer by the hour. The creative work is the fun part. The hard part is everything surrounding it, the coordination, the back and forth, the rebuilding of context every time something moves. That's exactly the problem AI campaign generators were built to solve. In this video, we'll walk you through 5 of them, what they do, where they shine, and how to figure out which one fits how your team actually works. Let's start with ClickUp, which approaches campaign generation from a workflow and execution perspective. ClickUp is the world's first converged AI workspace and is particularly useful for teams that need campaign strategy, asset creation, approvals, and execution coordination living inside one system. With ClickUp docs, campaign plans, briefs, and messaging frameworks stay structured and collaborative. But structuring a campaign is only one part of the process. The real challenge is turning those plans into messaging, assets, and ideas quickly. This is where ClickUp Brain, your context-aware AI assistant, comes to the rescue. Instead of starting from scratch, Brain can generate campaign briefs, messaging angles, and content outlines directly within the workspace. And once campaigns move into execution, coordination pressure starts increasing again. This is where ClickUp's super agents, the world's only human-level AI agents, help reduce that operational load. Instead of manually managing routine updates, assignments, or transitions, super agents handle those steps in the background, autonomously updating task statuses, reassigning work based on capacity, and sending progress updates to stakeholders without any manual intervention. From ideation to execution to reporting, everything stays connected and AI assists at every stage. Next up is HubSpot Campaign Assistant. Built directly into HubSpot's platform, it helps teams generate copy for ads, landing pages, and emails with minimal setup. Add your inputs, and it delivers tailored content across channels. One of its biggest advantages is its deep integration with HubSpot's CRM and marketing tools, allowing teams to move generated content directly into campaigns and performance workflows. A limitation, however, is that it remains largely text-focused, meaning design elements still require additional tools. Next is ActiveCampaign, combining AI-driven content with marketing automation, ideal for automated campaigns and customer journeys. Its AI helps marketers create subject lines, copy, and message variations tailored to audience segments and behavior. Rather than focusing on isolated campaigns, ActiveCampaign excels at building evolving communication flows tied directly to lifecycle and engagement strategies. A limitation to consider, though, is that full automation requires higher-tier plans. Then there's AdCreative.ai, a platform focused on solving one of the most persistent campaign bottlenecks, creative production. Instead of manually designing multiple variations, marketers can generate banners, visuals, and conversion-focused ad assets in minutes. The platform uses performance-trained models to suggest layouts, headlines, and call to action optimized for engagement. The only drawback is that customization flexibility can be restrictive for brands needing highly specific design control. And the last tool is Creatify. Creatify focuses on generating short-form video ads from simple campaign inputs. You provide details, and the platform produces ready-to-use video creatives. A key advantage is generating multiple variations, making creative testing easier across platforms. Just one thing to note is that Creatify offers limited advanced editing controls compared to professional video software. Each of these tools addresses a different part of the campaign creation process. Some help with messaging, others focus on creatives or video production. The real advantage comes from understanding where your campaign process slows down most often. This is where ClickUp shines. It becomes particularly valuable when campaigns require structure, visibility, and coordination across moving parts. Which AI campaign generator has made it into your stack? Let us know in the comments. And sign up for free today at ClickUp.com to get your campaign started.